Okay, guys, so AI is here. It's in the workplace, in our environment. So should we be terrified of it? Is it going to take our jobs? I don't think so, but it is certainly changing and going to continue to change how we do our jobs. So at the moment, it can't touch the human-centric activities such as creativity, higher level strategy, innovation, client-facing, all these human things which we as marketers excel at. What it can do is take away the heavy lifting of all the tedious stuff that we don't like to do. And leading on from the prior point, so skilled digital marketers will need to master the AI tools to optimize workflow efficiencies and provide the valuable insights into consumer behavior and market trends that this type of technology can afford. Okay, next up we've got analytics, segmentation. Going through all those reams of marketing data, it's about as much fun as a Monday morning after a heavy weekend. AI can take that heavy weight off us guys and allow us to focus on the more human-centric activities of creativity, innovation, client-facing, etc. guys. So this is key to this one, I think, guys. So AI is data fueled. Big data, little data, medium data. We as marketers, as human beings, are information fueled. So it doesn't matter whether we've got raw data or manipulated data, it's up to us to attach meaning to that data to then transform it into information. And as marketers, we can use the new AI tools to actually then have insights to inform our marketing strategy, to inform our creativity, to inform innovative moves. So don't rest on this, guys. Start using the tools, combine it with your own marketing knowledge, creativity. To wrap this up then, guys, if AI was marketing to AI, then there wouldn't be room for marketers, for digital marketers in that space. However, that's not the case. We are humans marketing to other humans, and empathy, creativity, innovation, the human connection, they're all things that can't be replicated by AI. So take what's best of AI, hone your skills, start learning the new skills of this new paradigm, and then combine them with your innate creative marketing skills. You make a formidable combination, guys. Anyway, that's all I've got. Hope this helps. Take care and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.